It's a little birdie here, a baby one. What are you doing? Oh, it's a newborn. What are you doing? It's a baby. Can't even fly. Aw. Come here. What are you doing? Where's your mama? Are you lost? You lost? You wanna come home with me? I'm gonna bring you home. So it's been 2 days since I rescued this bird. And it's a baby, it still can't fly. I'm giving it food. And he likes to be with me. You like being here? Where you going? Come with daddy. Come on. You funny. I also rescued another bird today as well. It was stuck in the wall. There was actually 3 birds. I rescued one and I didn't know there was 2 more. I had to go back and get the other ones, but I got a video on that, so yeah. I guess I'd be rescuing birds nowadays.
All evil child.
Yeah, yo.
You already now shit.
Well, in here,
I
I don't think you can see it, but there's a bird stuck in this wall. The lady here, she been hearing a lot of noises in here. I came to rescue it, so let's see what happens. Let me see if I could put let me see. Yes, here goes the feathers right there. This goes the feathers. This is the feathers. I don't know, for some reason it looks fake, but it's real. And everybody's scared. And here you can see the feathers right here, see? But yeah, we're gonna have to try to take this bird out. Well, we saved the bird. Here goes the bird. He's exhausted. We had to make this big hole to take the bird out. And he's really exhausted right now. He can't, you know, move or chirp. He's really, really tired and heavy, y'all. You know, we saved the bird, everybody. I will take it home and I'm gonna feed it and give it water and stuff. I just found the bird yesterday. It fell off his nest. It's been locked in there for 2 days. Poor baby. All right, I'll take care of you.
Yeah,
all
I
right.
thought it was coming to the wall. I thought it was Amani doing something in her room.
It's breathing hard.
And then I'm like.